Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start as an administrator because the change affects system policies. Once you have elevated rights, back up the registry to avoid irreversible damage. Open Registry Editor now, type regedit and press Enter, then navigate to hklm/software/policies. If you prefer group policy, open gpedit. MSC. You do this to control Chrome centrally, so Incognito gets disabled for all users. Make sure Chrome is closed before editing, and note why. Chrome checks policy keys on startup, so edits must be saved before launch. Now you create or locate the policy key under hklm/software/policies/Google/Chrome. Once selected, right-click to add a new word value named Incognito Mode Availability and set it to 1. This numeric value tells Chrome to disable private mode. 0 or missing leaves default behavior. If you use group policy, load the Google Chrome admx files and set the Disable Incognito policy under Computer Configuration, right arrow Administrative Templates, right arrow Google Chrome. Once done, save and close the editor so Windows writes the change to the registry. Finish by restarting Windows or at least logging out and back and so policy refreshes. Then open Chrome and check the menu. New Incognito window should be removed. If you still see private mode, make sure Chrome was closed during changes, confirm the registry path and word value, and verify you edited HKLM versus HKCU. If a managed device reapplies settings, check for enterprise policies or management software. Troubleshooting tip: run Chrome//policy to view active policies and identify conflicts. Adjust accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.